coming to the end of the grass cutting season, but we're finding that we're able to get round it on time. Grass was starting to get away with us, and we found it really easy to get it back with these major mowers. Working for Greenery Ealing, grounds maintenance supervisor, controlling several gangs that maintain the grounds. I've worked in Ealing for 37 years, started under an apprenticeship. Directly under me I've got 32 operatives, split in between sort of shrub crews, litter crews, general grass, so we cover a whole range of stuff, so the whole borough. Ealing have taken the contracts back in-house, the maintenance side of things, which has meant giving a better quality to the residents of Ealing. Money basically going back into Ealing.
The idea was to get away from the private contractors and to bring it in-house, have more control over the staff and the types of work we wanted to do. So we've got quite a wide variety of parkland and conservation areas, as well as we do all the housing, highway verges, schools, community centres. Basically any green space that the borough owns, we have to maintain. Sports probably is primary as far as getting things right. The teams that lease our facilities want to have good quality facilities. They want the grass to be the right height. It's the flexibility and the reputation really with Major. We had an older unit, which we were happy with, so we wanted to go with the newer Majors, and the rotaries give us more flexibility, less downtime, and they've been excellent.
So we're looking at, can we reduce the downtime for the operative? Can we reduce the downtime for the machine being in the workshop? And the finish it can give us. We cover up to 1,000 hectares throughout the borough. A good 80% of that is with these machines.
One of the things that's important to us in Ealing is getting away from what we used to call green deserts, which is the whole park, close mown. We've been trying to increase the biodiversity by having long grass areas. One of the things with these machines is that it allows us to plan our year, because we know we can do all the different grass height cuts with one machine. Everything from the 12 millimeters for cricket all the way up to 150 for meadow cuts. It gives us a lot of flexibility, and we're quite happy with that.
From day of delivery we dealt with Farrells, who gave us excellent service. Yeah, we're finding with the major mower, they're doing everything they said they would do. We're hitting our targets. The crews are on track with their cutting rounds. Everybody's happy with them. It's really good.